Hey there, luxury lovers! Get ready to feast your eyes on the mind-blowing release of the 2024 Lexus LM. Buckle up, folks, because this beauty is here to redefine luxury and elevate your ride to a whole new level. Step inside this mobile sanctuary, and you'll be transported to a world of pure luxury and comfort. The Lexus LM is a rolling oasis. Need more legroom? The Lexus LM has got you covered. Stretch out, relax, and enjoy the lap of luxury as you embark on your journey. It's not just about lavishness. The Lexus LM is equipped with cutting-edge tech that will make your driving experience seamless and unforgettable. Get ready to make a grand entrance. The 2024 Lexus LM is a head-turner, designed to make a statement and leave a lasting impression. Glide through the streets with grace and elegance. The Lexus LM's smooth suspension and refined handling will make every journey a true pleasure. Feel the power under the hood. The Lexus LM's engine roars to life, delivering a seamless blend of power and sophistication. So, my fellow luxury enthusiasts, if you're ready to indulge in the lap of opulence, hop into the 2024 Lexus LM and let the world be your playground.